Atoms form chemical bonds because joining lets them reach lower energy and greater stability than when they are alone. Think of atoms like kids on a playground who feel safer holding hands than standing by themselves. When atoms share or transfer electrons to form bonds, the whole group becomes more comfortable and less energetic, which means more stable. For example, two hydrogen atoms each share one electron to make a hydrogen pair that is happier together than apart. And a sodium and a chlorine can swap an electron so both end up with full outer shells. Electrons in the outer shell are the important ones for bonding, and atoms tend to move toward arrangements that fill those outer levels. The types of bonds differ. Sharing makes covalent bonds, transferring makes ionic bonds, and sometimes electrons move freely among many atoms to make metallic bonding. But the common goal is lower energy and more stability. A common mistake is thinking atoms bond because they want to be exactly like noble gases. Really, they aim for lower energy, and noble gas configurations are one typical way to get there. So remember the energy idea first. Another misconception is that bonds are objects holding atoms like glue. Bonds are really shared or transferred electrons arranging the electrical pull between nuclei and electrons. So picture electron arrangements instead of strings. Students also often assume every bond is equally strong, but bond strength varies with how electrons are shared or held and the distance between nuclei. To avoid confusion, focus on how much energy is released when the bond forms. For more videos and resources on why atoms form bonds and how that affects molecules, visit www.gumballdegree.com.